So in chemistry, there are several ways to measure concentration of solutions. Most commonly, we use molarity, which is the number of moles of a chemical divided by the number of liters of solution, moles per liter. But I don't want to make a whole liter today. So we're going to use 6.4 grams of potassium permanganate, and we're going to put it into 1/10 of a liter, or 100 milliliters of distilled water. And that's going to make a solution that is 0.4 molarity. The potassium permanganate makes a very colorful solution. Very dark purple solution. And at 0.4 molarity, it's so dark that it almost looks black. Now, another useful skill in chemistry is diluting chemicals. In other words, taking a stronger chemical and watering it down to make it weaker. To do that, oftentimes you need to make very precise measurements of your volume. And you can use a pipette to do that. This is basically a graduated cylinder, like a straw. And I can place it into the potassium permanganate and withdraw exactly 10 milliliters, and it's graduated to the 1/10 of a milliliter. So you can get very precise measurements. That's exactly what I'm going to do now. I'm going to withdraw 10 milliliters. I'm going to take this 10 milliliters and put it into 90 milliliters of distilled water. That'll make the total volume 100 milliliters, or 1/10 of a liter, which will change our 0.4 molarity solution into 0.04 solution. So it's now 1/10 as strong as the original. And we can repeat that process again by removing 10 milliliters from this bottle and putting it into 90 here. And again, that will move the decimal over one spot. We'll go from 0.4 to 0.04 and now to 0.004. So withdrawing 10 milliliters, placing it into this one. So we've gone from 0.4 milliliters to 0.04, now to 0.004 molarity. I'm going to repeat it again. And notice, starting to see a slight lightening of the color. So we'll withdraw 10 more milliliters here. Place it into 90 milliliters. You can still see the color. We started at 0.4 molarity, 0.04, 0.004, now 0.0004 molarity. We'll just keep repeating. This is a serial dilution. And let's see how far it goes before we can't see the color anymore. So 10 milliliters into 90 again. You can still see a faint pink color there. Let's do it one more time. Again, 10 milliliters out. Placing it into 90 milliliters. I think for the first time it's getting very hard to see the color. We'll do it one last time. 10 milliliters from here into this beaker. So to do that, we've used a pipette, which is just a finely graduated straw. We started at 0.4 molarity. This is 0.04, 0.004, 0.0004, 0.4 zeros, 4.5 zeros, and then 0.604. I think if we transferred it one more time, you would not see any color change at all. Molarity is moles per liter, and dilution is just weakening down that solution.